welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Samantha and I create videos based on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. I'm going to be talking about some organizational pieces that I've had for a little bit, but they are perfect for small spaces, college dorm rooms or college apartments. This is going to be an Amazon focused video because I found these things super helpful to kind of organize and keep my space tidy and clean and cute. With that being said, if you like videos like this, then definitely hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I create a video. I'm definitely going to be doing some more Amazon and Target focused videos because I've been doing a lot of looking and shopping on those platforms, and I want to share what I found with you guys. I have everything listed on here in my Amazon storefront. Also, everything will be linked down below. So you might have seen these things in my first days in my new apartment video. I'll also link that down below, and somewhere along this video. Anything that's from that video, know that I've had it for a little bit over a year, and so it's definitely good quality stuff, definitely tried and trusted. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is this Organi House extra large rope laundry basket. They do call it a laundry basket, but I do think that it is very versatile. I personally use it for my gym stuff. I put my tennis rackets, my tennis balls, some weights, some ankle weights, and a bunch of other workout exercise related items in it. You can also obviously use it for your throw pillows, throw blankets, anything that you don't want laying around. It's kind of a good home for those kinds of things. Toys, if you have children, or toys. This basket is super cute. It kind of gives me like a coastal beachy vibe. It comes in about 15 different colorways, but I have it in the white with stitches, and it's super cute. It's a decorative piece, but it's also super functional. This was one of those items that was in my apartment video, and I'm super happy that I purchased it. Right now it's 40% off, so it's a steal. The second item is very similar. It's the Oyahomi cotton rope basket, but this is a lot wider and shorter than the first one that I mentioned. So this can't really sit in my space, but what I like to do is I will fold it and I'll kind of throw it behind my bed and tuck it away until I'm ready to use it. But it is perfect for the laundry. Otherwise, it's a little too big for my space, but it can also be a nice item to throw any extra stuff that you might not have a specific place for. So again, any kind of throw blankets, throw pillows. This also has a Scandinavian beachy vibe. It is super cute. I love the brown and white details. This one comes in 3 different colors, but it is a steal at $29.99, and right now it's 27% off. The third item is the Udanova laundry basket. I've had this for over a year now. I had it at my old apartment and I love it. It has Velcro closure, and it's super cute with the lettering that says Deluxe Laundry Service on the front. I just stick this directly in my closet. Unfortunately, I don't have a video of it right now just because my closet is just a little messy, but it is a super cute laundry basket, and it's super big, so you can kind of fit a lot of stuff in there. It fits perfectly in my closet, and it's super easy. Just kind of throw your dirty laundry and kind of tuck it away until you're ready to do laundry, and it's super cute and chic, so it kind of keeps my closet super organized as well. I love that it is a rectangular shape, so it fits right along the walls in my closet in a corner, and it is super easy. If you wanted to, it has 2 handles on the side, so you can actually lift it and bring it to and from wherever you do your laundry. Udanova also has really cute baskets, and they have a lot of really chic home decor items, so if you have the chance, definitely look at their storefront and look at the other items that they have. I think that one important way to keep your space as tidy and organized as possible is to have a designated space for everything, and everything kind of in its place. I struggle with that because I don't know, but I do struggle with that. But one thing that's helped me is to have little trays that are kind of designated for certain items. These Unides round gold trays are super cute and super practical for my space. I purchased 2 and I believe that they're 12 inches if I'm not mistaken, so they're pretty large. But these ones come in 4 different sizes. You can kind of mix and match and pick the ones that kind of suit your space. I put one on my makeup desk, and then I have one in a cabinet storage area. I use the first one on my makeup desk to kind of organize all of the things that I use day to day. So if it's something that I reach for consistently, then I kind of keep it out, but cute out. Not out, just cute out. It can look curated and it can look clean. Then I have a glass and gold trim tray as well. I use that to organize my makeup brushes. I use that along with a makeup brush holder. I don't know if I have the link for the makeup brush holder, but I can find something that's similar. I also have on that tray my Lenovo facial steamer. I like to kind of keep it out so I don't have to kind of search for it and put it back together. So having those two on the tray opposite one another is super helpful for me to just have everything within reach. One thing that keeps me super organized and is a space saver is my ottoman. I don't have a video of the ottoman. Maybe I'll try to put one in. But this ottoman has storage and it's also a perfect seat, and I also use it to hold my bed tray as well when I'm not using it. So it is super helpful. I just kind of tuck it underneath my makeup desk and I keep things that I might reach for inside of it. So I keep mostly my gym clothes and like house clothes items that aren't super luxurious. I kind of just like tuck them away, and it saves me a lot of space. It saves me a lot of space in my closet. So this ottoman comes in handy. But I will definitely link similar items to the ottoman down in the description box for you to check out. Another way of staying organized and keeping everything kind of tidy and clean, especially in a small space, is obviously to have a designated area for your trash. So having like a small compact trash can will save you a lot of heartache, trust me. So I love this trash can. It's by Simple Human. I have a 4.5 liter, which is 1.2 gallons, round trash can. It is perfect for your bedroom, it's perfect for your bathroom, it's perfect for your kitchen. It could sit under a sink if that's what you're into. But I love this for my makeup desk area, so I kind of tuck it underneath. And I bought 1 million trash bags. I don't know if I'm ever going to need any more trash bags, but it's super easy to re-up on the trash bags, and it is super compact so it doesn't get in the way of anything. It has a pump that you can just step on to open it up, and it closes right back up. It doesn't stay open. It is perfect. I've had this for over a year now, and I love this Simple Human trash can. I also love these makeup organizers. It's a little dirty, but I just refuse to take everything out and clean it. I'll do that maybe another time, but I love that it keeps my makeup organized. I love that it has multiple drawers for different things. I kind of try to curate the drawers so that I know exactly what I'm looking for and where to find it. This is the HB Life makeup organizer. It's acrylic. It also comes in different colorways, about 5 different colors. I got the clear, but I love how many compartments this has. It helps me organize all of my concealers. I put utensils in there. I also love that it's lined on the bottom, so it kind of gives it a nice little luxurious feel, and it kind of catches all of the dust and dirt from your makeup, and those are easily washable. So I just kind of take them in the bathroom and I put some hand soap on them and I just wash them and let them hang dry, and it's as good as new. I mentioned the cabinet earlier. This is the Convenience Concept storage cabinet. I don't know if this is still in stock. If it is, I'll definitely place it down below. But if it's not, I can find an alternative for you. But I do like this cabinet. It is perfect for storage. I like that it has an opening at the top so I can display some things or I can easily reach for some things. And it has 2 doorways for you to kind of tuck away any clothing or whatever it is that you want to use it for. I use the top for some extra towels, and then I use the bottom for some other sleepwear, but it is perfect. This one comes in the marble. They also have or had the white, and they have white and I think sea green. I don't think the marble is available, but I'll link the other options down below. And last but not least, in this organizational decor-esque Amazon favorites, I have these super cute adhesive hooks. These ones in particular are sold out, but I will be linking some similar options down below. I love these adhesive hooks. It kind of saves my space a lot because I kind of tuck them on the back of the closet door, and that's where I hang all of my purses, all of my bags. And you know, I'm a bag girl, so yeah, I definitely need all the space I can get when it comes to that. This one came with, I believe, 10, if I'm not mistaken, and none of them have fallen off the wall. Like, they stick onto the wall super easily, and then the hooks are super durable. I will find an alternative for you and link it down below, but I suggest getting adhesive hooks because they will save you so much heartache when it comes to organizing. So those were a few items that I personally have that I love that helps me keep my small space as organized and as clean as possible. They are decorative and they are practical, which is my favorite thing. I hate something that's just like cute and just there but not, you know, usable. Usable? Is that the word? Functionable? You know what I'm saying. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel to be notified whenever I make a new video. I can't wait to share more of my Amazon favorites with you. While you're at it, definitely go ahead and check out my Amazon storefront that's linked down below and give her a follow. And I will see you guys in the next one.